In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple email accounts in HubSpot, a task that can really help streamline your contact management process. Let's dive right in and make sure you've got everything set up correctly. First things first, you need to open HubSpot and log into your account. Ensure you have your login details at hand and sign in to access all the features available to you. Once you're in, the main tool you'll be using is the trial guide. This is an incredibly useful resource within HubSpot, offering you a wealth of information and tools to help you get started with form building and effectively manage your contacts. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with the trial guide will provide a solid foundation for managing emails efficiently. From your HubSpot homepage, you'll need to locate the CRM tab. This is a central hub for all your customer relationship management tasks. Click on the CRM and navigate to Contacts. Here, you will see a list of all your contacts managed within HubSpot. This section serves as your master list, making it easy to organize and access important information. Once you've opened the Contacts section, it's time to select the specific contact for whom you want to add additional email addresses. Browse your list and click on the contact that requires multiple email entries. When you've selected the right person, you should see their primary details, including their current email address. Engage with the contact by clicking directly on their email address, which should open a dedicated email management section. In this section, look for the option to add an email. You're going to want to click on Add Email, which will open a prompt where you can enter an additional email address. Be sure to enter this email precisely and double-check it for any errors. Accuracy here is key so that the added contact details remain valid and useful within your CRM system. After entering the additional email address, the final step is to click Save. By doing so, you ensure that the changes are effectively applied and that the additional email is now affiliated with the contact in question. Saving the changes confirms that HubSpot recognizes the updated information and allows you to utilize these multiple emails seamlessly moving forward. And that's it. You've now successfully added multiple email accounts to a contact in HubSpot. This process will aid tremendously in keeping all contact information centralized and accessible, streamlining your communication efforts. By following these steps, you enhance not only your contact management efficiency, but also improve the way you engage with your contacts through different communication channels. Thank you for watching and happy connecting.